welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tierra J, and today you see it, we getting ready to go on a little date night or whatever, getting cute. Shout out to RpgShow for helping us get cute today. I love RpgShow because they are like one of those top tier wig companies that's providing quality. Lately I have been loving treating myself luxuriously, and I just love these luxurious wig companies. So they sent over this beautiful unit. I love me a highlighted wig, and y'all, this one, the brown highlights, like this is so for my brown girls. These brown highlights just really complement melanin, okay? The color job is just perfect. Like a lot of times you'll find wigs, like highlighted wigs, it's a little blotchy or whatever, but this like is literally perfect. It flows so good, looks so good. I love kinky straight hair. That is like my new go-to for straight hair because it's gonna give you that fullness that you're looking for. Like don't nobody want that little thin, you know what I'm saying, too shiny hair. So I feel like especially for us black girls, like this kinky straight, it just fits. It just gives you that texture. It's nice and thick. You can silk it out really good to where it's like sleek, but it's not like too silky, you know? So make sure to click those links down below to check out their information. They are also having their 15th anniversary sale, so save you some money, girl. Go ahead, click down below. Thank you once again, RpgShow, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go ahead and get cute and get ready for this date.
Okay, boo, let's go ahead and jump right into it, and we're gonna start off by cutting off these clippies. Like, you do not need these, especially with this new ball cap method that I started doing on myself. The clips just hurt and get in the way, so cut them off. Hey girl, ready to get cute for this day? Yes girl, we ready to get cute for this day, honey. So we're gonna go ahead and slick down that hairline. We got to be glue gel. Love this stuff. It don't matter if you don't had your braids up for like 4 or 5 weeks, it's gonna lay it down. And then this is my little ball cap method y'all been peeping. I just spray that Sally Hansen airbrush legs on my actual hair, and then I go on with the Ruby Kisses powder and I put that close to my hairline. And the reason I don't spray everything is because I don't want it to be wet near my hairline. You know, we just ain't trying to fool with that. And then just, you know, clean the hairline off so we can get a good melt. Going in with that even lace spray is everything. And I actually found out that putting a few coats on it makes it melt so much better. Like, it sticks for real. Like, you can have this wig on for like a week. So I just start, you know, melting that lace section by section. I find this to be much easier in, you know, having control as you spray this lace, because lace, like real deal, can get messy real quick, like especially if you're a beginner. So do it in 3 sections, girl. We gotta definitely pluck this girl, and I'm finding that with kinky straight wigs, this wig is pre-plucked, but I'm finding that with kinky straight hair, like you still gonna have to do some plucking no matter what, because the strands are just thicker. Like the hair is thicker because it's kinky, so it's gonna be more hair even on the hairline. So you definitely got to add your own little customization, and I definitely want to talk about that real quick. I normally pluck first, which is still good to do so you don't be like, you know, moving your lace too much while it's already melted down. But I'm finding that it looks so much better when you pluck it while it's on your hairline, because you get to like literally customize it to how your hairline look. Like a game changer. Like, look at just what that little bit of pluck in, like while it was on my hairline, did. Like, girl, my hairline ain't never looked this good, and it's all because I did that additional, you know, customization plucking. So a few get this wig flat tips. One is hairspray or like a wax stick or something, and then put some heat to it. Girl, this is a game changer. Like, y'all see that? It just makes the hair so sleek and straight without making it crispy, crunchy, like none of that. It just looks so freaking good. My next tip is that, yeah, that pressing comb does what it has to do, but this blow dryer is gonna be your like hump lump remover, and I'm about to show y'all in a second. Y'all know how wigs come packaged like that, you know, that hair on the lace just be stubborn. So spray it with that hairspray or use a wax stick And girl, look at that blow dryer. I already ran the press and comb through it, but look at that blow dryer though. Like, it really, really flattens everything. Now I want to get y'all hip on getting a good silk press on some kinky straight hair. You gotta get you a burning hot flat iron. I got a Tourmaline, something, I'll link it down below, but it goes all the way up to 455. Like, do not be afraid to put heat on this kinky straight hair, because it takes some heat, and look at it. Like, it just comes out perfect every time on that 455 heat. It just be silk to the gods, fresh relaxer vibes, natural hair day one silk press vibes, okay? Like, kinky straight is just for us girls, it's for us. It's this hairline for me. It's the lace for me. Like, girl, let's get into these baby hairs. We're gonna go ahead and trim them down. And I like to slick my baby hairs using Got2b glue. That also just gives it like an extra hold. And let's just enjoy this baby hair art real quick. The layage for me, it's just it's the scalp, it's the baby hairs, it's the hair. Like, girl. Okay, we got the wig laid and slayed. Now let's go ahead and jump into some quick little date night golden makeup. With this date night, we just gonna give, growing and sexy and elegance and, fierce all in one package. And I want to hear from you. Let's talk dating. Like, what do you want your first impression to be like on a first date? Do you come with it, like, what I'm saying, like unleash the dragon, or do you go flirty, or like, go casual? What's your vibe? Go ahead and comment down below. Personally, me, I'ma bring it. Period. Like, I want you to know I ain't no cheap date, my nigga. You feel me? So, like, yeah, I come with it.
Girl, y'all, I love this wig so much. I think this is like one of my new favorites. Like, I have been so obsessed with kinky straight hair. Like, it's just so full. Like, it's so full, it's so soft, it's so just, ooh, I just love it. Kinky straight just always gives me like freshly relaxed vibes, so I'm just loving this wig. Quality, like RpgShow quality, okay? RpgShow and quality, it goes hand in hand. So thank you once again, RpgShow, for sponsoring today's video. Y'all make sure to click those links down below. Go get you a cute wig, get ready for your day night, whatever. So that is it for today's video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see some cute pictures. I'm trying to really get in my Instagram bag. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. If you ain't subscribed, girl, go ahead and join the Boss Boo crew. We would love to have you. Thank y'all again for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.